Hey guys, it's Eric with Crystal Cove Conservancy. Earlier, you learned about some of the changes that have happened in Crystal Cove's unique coastal sage scrub habitat. The goal of land managers in Crystal Cove State Park is to turn those degraded landscapes that have been taken over by non-native species, such as black mustard, and restore them back to coastal sage scrub. This can be a challenging process, and sometimes restoration efforts don't work. So Crystal Cove Conservancy partners with researchers from our local university, UC Irvine, and land managers at Crystal Cove State Park to study different strategies for restoring native habitats. That's what you are going to help us with. Today, you'll learn more about how we study restoration in Crystal Cove. You'll also be introduced to this year's research question for Project Crystal Code, which will need your help investigating. When you advance into the next slide, you will meet Kendra Walters, a doctoral student at UC Irvine in the Martini Lab. Kendra studies microbial communities, and she has partnered with us to set up this year's research experiment to investigate how mulch decomposes. Kendra will share a little bit about her research and why she thinks studying microbes and decomposition is so important. And then one last note. During this session, we're going to start investigating our research question, which involves which type of mulch works best to help seedlings grow. If you can, it will be really helpful if you can find a couple of handfuls of woody mulch or wood chips, and then a couple of handfuls of straw or dry grass, so that way you can see what we are talking about. But in case you're not able to get these materials, we'll include some photos so you can look at them virtually instead.